What's the meaning of bronchitis? Bronchitis. Bronchitis.
Bronchitis. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is a respiratory condition wherein the lining of the bronchial tubes, which are responsible for transporting air to the lungs, become inflamed. This inflammation often leads to coughing, chest discomfort, and difficulty breathing. The condition can be acute or chronic, but in either case, it is usually caused by a viral or bacterial infection. Acute bronchitis typically resolves within a few weeks, while chronic bronchitis can lead to long-term lung damage. Treatment for both types of bronchitis typically involves rest, over-the-counter medications to relieve symptoms, and avoiding irritants such as smoke and pollution. In severe cases, antibiotics may be necessary.